Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. Well, let's make a really good pizza from a supermarket. Pizza that you can buy for like $2 to $3 so you can enjoy your hi-fi music. And typically it looks something like this Dr. Edgar type of pizza. I think it's better than standard. And instead of you just buying a normal pizza and putting it in the oven and like eating it after 10 minutes, that's just like the worst way to eat pizza. So let me just introduce a new way of doing it so you can enjoy a proper pizza. Do this instead. Just leave it on a plate, let the oven warm up for about 10 to 20 minutes time, and then you put it in for about 7 minutes, take it out, and then you have like a slice or two or maybe even three of cheeses here. 1, 2, 3 slices. And you cut a big tomato up in about 10 pieces. Then you cover the entire crust with tomato so you can give the pizza more, and so the crust doesn't really burn. Add some flavor, add some style, makes it more healthy. And put it back in the oven again and give it about 7 minutes more. Then it's nice and crispy and almost cooked fully through. And just figure out, maybe you have to take it out, maybe you have to give it a couple of minutes more, but we just want to avoid these sloppy, soft, basic, cheap type of pizzas by doing it in this kind of way. So you take it out, you give it a tiny bit of olive oil all over the place, and it soaks up. It makes that crunchy pizza that seems a bit hard suddenly become just perfect. Now you have a pizza that's much better than the usual standard that you get at a pizzeria, and voila, you're just into that really expensive type of pizza, where you usually have to go to places like Italy or somewhere like that to get something that's around that, perhaps a bit better than this. But you can then enjoy your pizza, a proper pizza, instead of this garbage stuff that we're used to. And you just save a lot of money. And if you want to, improve that experience, of course, if you could, then I would suggest going to Italy, but not just Italy, going to Bardolino and visiting this restaurant. This is the best pizzeria that I've had. So what makes it so good is simply just less is more, better quality ingredients, more fresh ingredients. I don't think they use this standard dough. I think they have a higher quality dough than standard, and it's basically pizza made in a way where it's a lot more yummy, a lot less filling, so you don't have to put on weight, and it's just very stylish and how you used to do it in the olden days. So yeah, I recommend that if that's possible. So that's me with a bit of a different video on how to make a good pizza so you can enjoy your hi-fi music a bit more. So remember to like and subscribe if that's possible. Bye.